are filled with sorrow as we mourn you. Brother, we have missed you greatly. We see you as a great person. We cared for everyone as a large heart and never separated a corn from beans. You taught us to relate with.
A minor correction, I'm actually chargé d'affaires. Christian Atsu became a part of the Atakash Hatayspor Football Club family on September 6, 2022. And ever since then, he has worked hard for the team. He gained the appreciation and trust of his fellow athletes and club members. He showed everyone how talented of a footballer President Recep Tayyip Erdogan of the Republic of Turkey expressed condolences on behalf of the people of Turkey to his counterpart, His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo. Honorary President of the club, Mr. Lütfü Savaş, also extends his heartfelt condolences to the bereaved. Atsu's mortal body might have left this world, but his memory and good deeds will live forever. A human embodiment of the strong bond between Turkey and Ghana, Atsu will always be fondly remembered by the Turkish people. With these sentiments, we would like to once again express condolences to the family, friends, loved ones, and the people of Ghana for the loss of a gentle soul whose name was Christian Atsu. May he forever rest in peace. Wo Ajota.
Thank you, Chargé d'Affaires, Mrs. Seda Nur Ebn. Preceding the tributes by the state is a tribute in song by Madame Grace Ashi.
May our brother soul rest in glory. na yeti ni nasumi Bango way ready boy no Isina sembe brani Jeno ba oh my gonna see Bango way ready boy no Junior Coco Coya, Parawa Wabiayo, Miranda Biaya da Bonde, don't marry my people for Christian and true. I'm more wanting and consecrate your befano. Chue, Yamadayo, Yamisina, much more sign. Sabema baby nansu wa mama meyenina Wabe enye beti mi amwa umai Yadi sigane tongwa achwe Kagana mabechi chaji wo Eyo wafofa Akwenti mfiwo yaya Yerananti yo
To the sports fraternity, particularly to the Black Stars and to the good people of Ghana. Thank you, Madam Grace Ashi. And now, for the tribute of the state, I ask that all members of the press who are not the accredited press for this event,
sometimes just make my thing louder than promotion, you know.
Police, please help us. Only the official videographers from the recognized media houses are allowed in the front. All bloggers with cell phones, respectfully, I ask that you take your seats. Only the official photographers and the videographers from the accredited media houses, please stay at the front. Reading the state's tribute, the Minister for Youth and Sports, the Honorable Mustafa.
See
May our brother soul rest in glory.
To 7. Revelation chapter 21, verses 3 to 7. And I heard a great voice out of heaven saying, Behold, the tabernacle of God is with men, and he will dwell with them, and they shall be his people, and God himself shall be with them, and be their God. And God shall wipe away all tears from their eyes. And there shall be no more death, neither sorrow, nor crying, neither shall there be any more pain, for the former things are passed away. And he that sat upon the throne said, Behold, I make all things new. And he said unto me, Write, for these words are true and faithful. And he said unto me, It is done. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end. I will give unto him that is athirst of the fountain of water of life freely. He that overcometh shall inherit all things, and I will be his God, and he shall be my son. May the Lord add his blessings to the hearing of his words, and may his name be praised. Amen.
The LCI choir will give us a song, after which we take the sermon.